Milwaukee County led the nation in declaring racism a public health crisis, and many other cities have followed suit.
New York is the latest, and as Jason Calvi tells us, the Big Apple credits a Wisconsin woman with launching what's become a national push.
New York City's Board of Health calls racism a public health crisis and declares
the first declaration of racism as a public health crisis was developed in 2018 by a Black woman, Miss Lillian Payne.
That woman, Lillian Payne, pushed for what became an American milestone.
You can look at gun violence. You can look at the number of babies that don't make it past their first birthday.
Then April 2019.
49-0, no, so item is adopted.
The Milwaukee County Board of Supervisors approved a resolution saying racism is a public health crisis affecting our entire society.
It's official.
Months later, the city joined the county. That was 2019. Then this past June, Chicago followed Milwaukee.
The life expectancy gap between Black and non-Black residents, on average, is a whopping 9.2 years.
The Milwaukee County resolution calls for increasing diversity among employees and leadership, educating workers on racism, and ensuring racial equity is a core element of Milwaukee County internal policies and procedures.
Is that for some enough, and that's where it is? It just stands with words and is symbolic. Does it translate into what Milwaukee County has been able to do? And it's really changed the way the budget has been utilized.
More than 200 other communities followed what first was declared in Milwaukee County, a crisis. Jason Calvi, FOX 6 News.
In April of this year, CDC Director Rochelle Walensky also declared racism a serious public health threat. She blamed structural inequities for stark racial and ethnic health disparities, and she said communities of color experienced disproportionate COVID-19 cases and deaths.